everyone, it's Mad Chen here. In this tutorial, you'll learn 4 methods on how to create color palettes from images in Procreate. So stick around and we'll get into it in a moment. Welcome back everyone. Let's get straight into the Procreate tutorial. First, you'll need a photo or image. Any image is fine. I'll be using my art piece here for today's demonstration. If you're interested in making this graffiti art, click on the link above or in the description below for the tutorial. Let's go into the color wheel to access palettes down here. Then we'll tap on the plus button here. We'll be presented with a list of options for you to create a new palette. Let's tap on the first option, Create New Palette. You will see a black space containing tiny squares here. And this is where we'll pop in our chosen colors from the graffiti image. We'll take the colors from this image using the Eyedropper tool. Just keep your finger on the screen for a few seconds to activate the eyedropper tool. I'll slide my finger around to choose which color I'd like to select, and I can just lift my finger when I'm happy with the color I've chosen. Next, we'll go to the palette board and tap on a square to place our color. So quickly go ahead and place more colors on the board before we continue. Another way to open up the eyedropper tool is with the square button on the left here. Tapping on it will open up the eyedropper tool on your image. If you'd like to delete colors, just tap and hold on a color for a few seconds to access the delete option. When you've chosen your colors, you can change the title of your palettes by tapping on Untitled. Then just rename the board. So back to the list of options, the second option is New from Camera. You can use your device to take a picture of anything you like. So you could go outside and take a picture of some flowers in the garden, and Procreate will automatically pull the colors from within the photo that you've taken. The third option is New from File. If you have any photos, images, or documents with any colors that you wish to put into your Procreate palette, you can pull those images up and Procreate will create the palette for you with the colors within those documents. The last option is New from Photos, and this is the option I've been using a lot. This option is a time saver. This will automatically pick out colors from within the photo chosen. We're gonna tap on it, which will take us to the photo library. I'll choose this image. You can see Procreate created a color palette for me based off the colors within that photo. If you have any requests, feel free to tell me in the comments below. See you in the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.